Jefferson Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Locations impacted include Madison Inlet, Long Island Sound, Horton Point, Port Jefferson Harbor, Shelter Island Sound, Hayrock Point and During Harbor. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service Office. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern New York and the adjacent coastal waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York; Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York; and Paconac and Gardeners Bays, New York. The National